Hi Mustangs, and welcome to Team Discovery. In this short video, you'll be introduced to the following teachers. That is Mr. Cates, who will be teaching math, Miss Lachman, science, Miss Powers, social studies, and Miss Wike for English. If by the end of this video you still have some lingering questions, we will be hosting 2 live question and answer sessions during the week of the 13th. One of these will be during the school day, the other will be after school to accommodate all schedules. If you're interested in attending, they will be on Tuesday, September 14th from 3:15 p.m. until 3:45 p.m. And the second will be on Thursday, September 16th from 11 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. We'll be sending out links to both of these Google Meet live question and answer sessions via email. So parents, please make sure that your contact information is all up to date in Parent View so that you're receiving those emails. We'll also be sending them to your child's school email. So if you, for some reason, don't receive it, check your child's email as well, as it might have come to them. And with that being said, we're going to go and pass the mic off to Mr. Cates.
Hi, Mustang family. I'm Mr. Cates, and I will be teaching Math 7 and Algebra 1 for the Discovery team this school year. I'm looking forward to having a great year and helping your child reach their full math potential. A little bit about me. I've served in the United States Navy for 22 years, and I am about to start my 18th year of teaching in a public school setting. I'm married and the proud father of 3 wonderful young ladies. To begin the school year, your child will need a composition notebook or spiral notebook and some common items such as glue sticks, pencils, and a highlighter. This year, I will use Remind for quick communications and primarily emails and phone calls. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you on an upcoming Google Meet session where you will have an opportunity to get answers to very specific questions that you may have. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Miss Lachman and I will be teaching science this year, specifically life science with Team Discovery. Just to make things short and sweet, I'm just going to give a really brief overview about what exactly are we going to learn in life science, and it's pretty much going to be anything that we consider living. So everything from cells to genetics to ecology, we will learn about. Labs this year, as of right now, the answer is yes, with just some added safety precautions, sanitizing in between classes, between touching things, and all of that jazz. Parents, make sure that you're on the lookout for lab forms that will be coming home the first week of school. Those will need to be signed and returned in order for your child to participate in our labs. If we don't have those forms signed, unfortunately, your child will not be able to participate those days and will have to have an alternative assignment, which is no fun. Also, occasionally we may ask for donations for our labs in order to make them happen. So parents, if you have the means to donate or would like to donate, just be on the lookout for those emails. It only happens maybe once or twice in the school year. But if we do need stuff, please help. A little bit about me. My name is Miss Lachman. This will be my 3rd year at Hugo Owens. I graduated from Penn State with my undergrad degree in biology and then got my master's for teaching at UVA. I'm originally from Pennsylvania, born and raised there, so I am a Virginia transplant. I have 3 fur babies at home, 2 cats and a dog. I love to travel, see the world. I really want to get all 7 continents before I die. And I used to like to run. I should have taken this picture down. I don't run as much as I used to. I ran this marathon a few years ago, and then I was like, yep. I hit the top, I'm done. But I still love to run. I still love to do activities outside and things like that. And that's just a little bit about me. In total, in summary, I'm so excited for the school year, guys. I can't wait to meet all of you. And I'm so happy that you will be in the classroom this year and get to see your smiling faces, or at least half of them for the first couple of weeks. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your summer, of what is left by the time you see this video, and I am hoping for a wonderful school year.
Hello, I am Mrs. Wike, and I would like to take this time to welcome you to the Discovery Team. I am excited to be your child's teacher this year. I have the privilege of teaching English, and I am located in room 612. I'd like to provide you with a brief overview of our class. Our course outline this year, we will use themed units. And through our thematic units, we will look at integrating the strands of literacy, reading, writing, research, communication, and multimodal literacies. We will focus on engaging short stories, poetry, nonfiction, and other types of genres. For our supplies, you will need a single subject notebook or a composition book, highlighters, glue, and that can either be stick or a small bottle of liquid glue, colored pens, or pencils. Most assignments will be completed during class, and even though it will be very rare, any assignments that are not completed in class can be definitely completed for homework. Quizzes are generally given once a week, and tests are given generally 2 to 3 weeks. Last, I have included my contact information. This includes my text or phone number and email address. Students can definitely message me through Schoology or through my school email address. And also, if need be, you can contact the school. Again, I am Mrs. White, and I look forward to having a productive and enriching school year. Thank you.
Hello, everybody. I am Miss Powers, and I teach U.S. history here on the Discovery Team. You can find me in room 613. These are the units of study that we covered this year. Our class is actually a two-part class. U.S. History 1 is in 7th grade, and then U.S. History 2 is in 8th grade. So we'll go through each of these units, and then in 8th grade, students will pick up right where we left off after the Civil War and continue to more modern times. These are 2 additional supplies that were not on our team supply list that students will need for just my class. They will need 2 little tubs of Play-Doh in 2 different colors. And then also in a few weeks, we'll be doing a project where students will need a shoebox. So if you have been doing some back to school shopping, please save those shoe boxes and bring them into class. That would be really helpful. And just the way I do assignments, students have 1 weekly assignment that I give on Mondays that are due on Fridays. These are larger assignments than your average daily homework assignment, but I do give them time on Mondays to get started working on them, brainstorm what they're going to do, and hopefully they can get a good amount of stuff done that day as well. Any unfinished classwork will become homework. If we're working on something in class and they just don't have time to complete it, it will be the expectation, that they will finish that for homework. We have 1 or 2 quizzes per week, depending on how our schedule falls, and we test approximately every 2 to 3 weeks on each unit. And then I just wanted to leave you with my contact information. You can either email me or you can also send messages through Schoology. A lot of students like to do that. And then, of course, you can always call the office and leave a message if that works better for you as well. I look forward to a great year with your students, and thank you so much. Bye-bye.